Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome web browser on Fedora Linux 44. First verify whether we have the Google Chrome comes as the default application. See, we don't have, even if you search for Chrome, we don't have Chrome. But the default web browser that comes with Fedora Linux 44 is Firefox. Open it. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on the first link, download and install Google Chrome, or just click on this fast and secure web browser built to yours. Then click on download Chrome. Then select .rpm for Fedora or Rocky Linux or RHL type operating systems. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 127 megabytes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads directory, ls. Now install this package, sudo rpm-ivh, then Google, then press the tab to autofill enter file name, hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. See, this dependency is required. Okay, sudo dnf install, copy this dependency, type and hit enter. All done. Control A. Now install Google Chrome stable current release. Here installing Google Chrome current stable release version number 148. Ignore this error, but we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default web browser, you have to keep the checkbox. And if you want to automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Sign in. I don't want to sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. Now ls, this file is not required anymore. I am deleting it to clear the space. rm Google, then press the tab. Unless we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome current stable release number 148 on Fedora Linux 44. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.